So you've tested your project and it didn't come out exactly like you expected. Something's not correct. The first thing to do is go and double check your code and make sure everything's typed in appropriately. If it's uploaded successfully to your Arduino board, you know there aren't any compiler errors, but there could be other logical errors. So compare your code to the code that is included in the project and make sure everything's typed in accurately. Other things to check are to make sure that your connections are in tight. Make sure no wires are loose. Give them a little wiggle, a little push. Make sure everything's in good and tight. Make sure the potentiometer's in well, piezo's in well, and the push button's seated well. Also make sure the connections on your various elements are in the same rows as the wires and the circuitry that you've included. If they're not in the correct rows, it's not going to work. For instance, with our piezo's 2 connection pins are located in rows 18 and 21. Therefore, the connections that I've used with wires are also in 18 and 21. Putting those wires in rows 19 or 20 is not going to complete the circuit. So double check that. Final thing, make sure that your USB is plugged in tightly and all the connections on the Arduino board are in the appropriate pin numbers. Check those things, check your code, give it another try. Good luck.